This is a review of the Milescraft Circle Guide Kit, 1219, 1269. I wanted to cut a perfect circle out of this 4/4 oak. I wanted the diameter to be 12 inches. So I'm switching the head from the large circle jig to the small jig. I had a little bit of a tough time adding it because of the position of the washers, but once I got it on, it worked perfectly. Here Brian is removing the base plate from my Dewalt DW618 to attach the circle jig base plate. I'm using a tape measure here to find the center of the circle, closest to the edge so I'd have the least amount of scrap. Milescraft includes a bit to drill your center hole. Then it also includes the screw to attach the jig to the piece you're cutting the circle out of. One side is in inches and the other is in millimeters. It's very easy to read how big your circle is going to be from the notches on the side. Included in the kit is a 1/4 inch straight bit. It's incredibly easy to attach the router to the jig. You just set the base plate in, aligning the arrows. Give it a turn clockwise until it clicks. Now this is some pretty thick 4/4 oak. Don't expect to make one pass to cut the circle out. I had to make about 4 passes. If you don't want to cut all the way through and you just want a circle outline, this would work really well. It makes a very clean cut. So there you have it. That's the review of the Milescraft Circle Jig. Got the small, large, and the offset base. It does a fantastic job at making circles or just circle patterns on your wood. Go ahead and check them out at milescraft.com. And if you like this video, make sure to hit the subscribe. Thanks for watching.